Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can add birthdays to iPhone calendar. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up calendar application on your iPhone. So once you open calendar application, you'll be appear with the calendar of the year. To add a birthday to iPhone calendar, what you can do is, let's say I have my friend's birthday on April. So I'll just set it to April 12th. So once you select a date, you can see the plus icon on the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can title the name birthday. So once you have added the title, you can just remind it. You can just enable the button all day. So once you do that, you'll be reminded on that day. This is for the reminder. You can just select the day that whenever you want to be reminded about the birthday. Once it's done, go ahead and tap on that add option. Once it's done, you are good to go. So yeah guys, this is how easily you can add birthdays to iPhone calendar. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.